I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to create a new profile in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, scroll down to the bottom of this screen, and then tap Apps. The next screen shows you a list of all of the apps installed on your device. Step 2. Tap Safari in this list. Step 3. Scroll down the Safari menu until you get to the Profile section and then tap New Profile. A screen opens where you can set options associated with your new Safari profile. Step 4. Enter a name for your new Safari profile and choose an associated icon and color. Also, choose the default for your favorites and what you'll see when you open a new tab. Tap Done after making your changes. You can access your new profile in Safari by tapping the Tabs icon in the Safari menu, tapping the hamburger icon in the menu on this screen, and then tapping Profile. A menu opens where you can see your available Safari profiles. Tap to select your newly created Safari profile. You'll now be using your new Safari profile on your iPhone or iPad. You can switch back to your default profile at any time. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.